We enjoy the holidays as a season to create lasting memories. Hedy and I love to get our dog Happy ready to join our favorite campus celebration. We have a time-honored tradition here at Roger Williams, that is our winter illumination ceremony. This tradition symbolizes our unity and spirit as we celebrate as a community. The solidarity and warmth of this event continue to inspire us throughout the year.
Wishing you a joyful season and a happy new year from our family to yours.
3, 2, 1.
Happy holidays, everyone!